In one of my previous reviews, I talked about a scheme that copied Casio. Now it's time to review a Casio that copied the style of another watch, the classic Rolex Datejust. Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Today we'll take a closer look at Casio's MTP-1302, the quartz-driven 38.5mm watch that resembles the styling of the much pricier Rolex. And no, I'm not buying the Tiffany blue hype. This watch is medium in size, with a diameter of 38.5mm without the crown. The lug-to-lug length is 44.2mm, the thickness is 9.2mm, and with the stainless steel bracelet, it weighs 105 grams before link adjustment, making it relatively light with good balance. The water resistance level is 50 meters, unlike most MTP series that are only up to 30 meters. And this MTP-1302 is powered by an SR626SW battery, as usual, with an estimated battery life of 3 years. The case is iron-plated metal, and Casio didn't mention the material, so let's assume it's not stainless steel, but maybe some kind of alloy like brass. If you have any information, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you. The finish is great, as usual with all Casio analog watches, with no sharp edges and a flawless mirror finish. On the right side, there's a push-pull crown to adjust the time with a similar finish. The fluted bezel that gives the Datejust impression is also well made, and the crystal is mineral glass, providing some level of scratch resistance. There are many variants available, and for this one, the dial comes in a clean metallic black with metallic chrome stick indices. The outer ring of the dial features a minute or second scale of 60, and it has pencil-style hour and minute hands with lume, which helps a bit in low light. It also features a date window at the 3 o'clock position, and one of the good things about this watch, the ticking sound is quiet. To adjust the watch, pulling the crown to the mid position will allow you to set the date, turning it down will change the date, and then pulling it to the full position enables you to set the time. The back cover is made of stainless steel and has a snap-off mechanism, which can be a bit inconvenient when replacing the battery. The watch lug width is a standard 20mm spring bars, so you can easily swap it with other straps to suit your style. Here is a close-up of the folded plate bracelet. It's quite thick, with a smooth finish on the sides, and it's made of stainless steel with a combination of mirror and brush finishes. It is 20mm wide at the lug end, then narrows down to 18mm. To adjust the bracelet length to fit your wrist, you may need to remove a few links. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube, but if you're unsure how, any watch repair shop can do it. The bracelet uses a basic triple fold clasp with the 4 length adjustment holes. A little note about the bracelet, it has a limited flexibility range, which might not be the best for smaller wrists. So here are the pros and cons. On the good side, number 1, affordable price. It offers great value for money, making it an excellent budget-friendly option. Number 2, stylish design. Resembles the Rolex Datejust, giving it a classy and timeless look. Number 3, multiple dial options. It is available in various dial colors, including unique options like blue and green. And then number 4, reliable quartz movement. It ensures accurate timekeeping, longevity, and low maintenance. You will need to replace the battery every 3 years or more. Number 5, water resistance. 50 meters water resistance makes it suitable for everyday wear and light water activities. Number 6, comfortable fit. Adjustable stainless steel band with a triple fold clasp fits most wrist sizes. Number 7, durable materials. Iron-plated case and mineral glass provide durability and scratch resistance. Number 8, relatively lightweight. 105 grams for the watch with a stainless steel bracelet, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 9, date display. It's a practical feature for everyday use. And lastly, positive reviews. Many user reviews from around the world praise this model, with many saying that people around them love this watch. On the other side, here are the things to consider. Number 1, it has limited bracelet flexibility, which means that the bracelet might not be the best for smaller wrists. Number 2, non-sapphire glass. Mineral glass is less scratch resistant compared to sapphire crystal, but that is to be expected at this price range. Number 3. Water resistance. 50 meters is suitable for light water activities, but not recommended for swimming or diving. Number 4. Iron-plated case, which may wear off over time compared to solid stainless steel case. Number 5. Simple clasp. The triple fold clasp may not be as secure as more advanced clasp. Number 6. Limited lume. Only the hour and minute hands are treated with luminous paint, which might not provide the best visibility in low light. Number 7. Standard battery life. 3 years is decent, but some might prefer longer battery life. Number 8. Basic bracelet. The folded plate bracelet is not as premium as higher end models, and again that is to be expected with the price range. Number 9. Non-screw down crown, which reduces the water resistance and durability, but again that's also expected with this price range. And lastly, number 10. Plain and basic packaging. You might want to consider this if you plan to use the watch as a gift. You may need to get a separate dedicated watch box to make it more presentable. Currently, it is priced at around $40 to $50 on Amazon, except for the hyped Tiffany blue variant. If you're considering the Casio analog series, especially one with a metal bracelet and 50 meters water resistance, I highly recommend taking a closer look at this model. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this review helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more watch reviews and setting tutorials. Have a great day, and I will see you again in the next video.